Hello everybody. Today we are going to be doing exercise 5 of the programming exercises in the textbook. Now what we have here in exercise 5 is a program that is meant to calculate the area and circumference of a circle given the radius. Now if we run it really quick, it will give us some errors. When I mean some errors, I mean a lot of errors. That's weird. Now, it says here we should start from the top. But what we should really do when we're looking at this, we should read it out first, right? And then start from the top. So it says here, enter the radius. That seems like the first thing this program should do. So it makes sense. But what doesn't make sense is the fact that radius is being initialized down here, while it should actually be initialized before even this comes out. So we will move this up, and there we go. Now you can remove that space. Now let's run it again. There's something wrong down here. So area is already being initialized up here. Now we also need to know where this using namespace goes. Now using main namespace is actually already at the top, so writing it twice is not a good idea. So we should delete that right now. So this right here looks okay. Now we also see the return. Now most of you know that the return should always go at the bottom no matter what. So we will delete that. Now we have this right here. Now enter the radius, CIN radius, CL and L. Now double area. Now this should probably not be here, because right now area has no value at all. So what we will do is we will move this up here. And now that we are here, we have area is equal to pi times radius times radius. Now we don't even have the value of pi above, so we need to bring this up. There. Now we have pi and area up here. Now pi is already given a value, radius is given a value, and now we need to look down here. Now we also need to delete this. Now let's see how it runs, if it runs. Now if we look up here, there's an error here. Circumference was not declared in this scope, which means that circumference was not declared above it. So you see circumference right here, and we bring it up right here. And there we go. Now this program should be running quite fine. Error. Circumference was not declared in the scope. Now, here, you may notice, circumference was not even spelled right. So, what is it going to do? Is it going to autocorrect for us? No, we're going to have to correct it ourselves. We change that to an E, circumference equals to double, and we run it, and terminal pops up, radius is 2, and area is 12.5, circumference is also 12.5. That is it for this exercise video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.